If your washer is leaking water, check the following parts: the fill hoses, the water valve, the filling spout, the pump hoses, the pressure switch hose, the tank, the drum outer place, and the drain pipe. For more information, go to the subscribe box on the right. Place your mouse pointer on the More Info link and click on it. When the page opens, scroll down to the next link and click on it. You will be taken to the page with more information on the subject. Or you could check our website at the following address: